Anyway po, good afternoon and welcome to Yap San Diego Ancestral House. So this was built nga pala noong 1675. So 350 years old na to ngayon. And now considered as one of the oldest houses in the Philippines and possibly oldest to the Chinese house outside of China. Then included also in a book entitled Chinese Houses of Southeast Asia. So original owner talaga rito, Chinese merchants, Yap na pamilya. Later generation, married to Filipino family de San Diego. So that is why the house known as the Yap San Diego Ancestral. And recognized by the Department of Tourism. So structurally the house is still 90% original. And all of the artifacts are here. So these were collections dated way back 16th century down to 1940s. And they were owned by a different generations of family. So the wedding photo there's a lot of family painting, a couple frame upstairs. Anyway, that's them now. A present owner, direct descendant San Diego, 11th generation. Buhay pa yan. 61 and 63 years.
Ano apelyido na po?
San Diego.
San Diego.
Dito sila natulog last night and then sa kakalis na po kayo ng mga. Seryoso? They still sleep here every week. So functional pa yung bedroom. The main reason is they don't want the house to be totally abandoned. Last time kasi ginamit ko nila full-time po na residence is 2007. Sakala naman sila nag-decide na gawin po museum in 2008. And since then, they normally comes here.
So family pa rin may-ari?
This po, direct descendants, kaya 11th generation.
Okay.
Now, this is still privately run and managed by the family. Kaya dito walang bawal ha? This is the only museum I think in the Philippines na allowed mag-pictures kahit na may flash. Kahit saan, pwede.
Okay.
Taking videos everywhere. Sitting on the chair. Even to the point of gently touching on the artifact. Pwede rin. Pero be careful na di lang talaga makabasa.
Yes.
Even upstairs, allow din po mag-pictures and mag-videos po. So, kayo na po bahala kung saan kayo mag-start. Dito ba sa baba, likod, garden o taas, feel free to roam. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dito na muna tayo sa baba. 11th generation. Oh. Okay. Ito oh. Ang laki ng Santo Niño. Mga upuan. Religious sila. Kasi puro stages of religious items. Dito tayo. Balangay. Ay, hindi yan balangay kasi marami na siyang Ito pag binenta to.
Ari sila yun. Ano sila na
Sulit niya.
wala pa naka-explore sa dagat, kami mga baka.
Plancha. Plancha. Banggera. Burnay. Antiques. China wares. Atay bed.
Botica Venus. Hi, Mr. Yano of Santa Filomena.
Pwede pa?
Pwede pa, pwede.
Binibenta namin yun.
Oh.
Ito Florencia Villa Espin. Kapas. Ngayon na pa din. Kapas.
Okay na yun, ma. Hinaan mo na.
Mga apat na siguro na edad ko.
Times 4 sa age mo.
55.
100 years old na.
Sir, joke lang din.
100 years old yung radyo.
2,000 ma'am.
Ay, oo nga, ang galing.
100 years old. Gumagana.